Heidi with Nest Pretty. Welcome to my wardrobe. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. And I help her to do that by making small choices every day that add up. You can read all about it in the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. I'm the author. You can get it on Amazon. So I want to share a little tip with you today. I'm just sharing tips on how to get you closer to your goal. Now, I want to help you to get there so bad because having a closet that is right and tight, making the decisions in advance makes getting dressed a breeze. No angst, no frustration, no decision fatigue. That is so important. Here's why. You do not want to start your day frustrated, disappointed, or feeling any other negative emotion that may come up when you open your closet, because this is how you're starting your day. So doing the work in your closet to get it right and tight, to make decisions once so that you can start your day on the right foot, literally. So one thing I recommend, the tip for the day, is to schedule a day once a week to bring your closet back to start. And what that means is just tidy it up. I know that throughout the week we just get busy, we start stashing and dashing, and we just don't have time to do everything and put everything right back the way it's supposed to be. Meanwhile, clothing is in the process of being laundered or ironed, or it's in a basket somewhere. So just taking the time once a week to look at your closet, how can I bring it back to start? You know what start is. Start is that amazing feeling after you have spent time organizing something or cleaning something. I just think about spring cleaning, and that feeling is so amazing. That feeling when you have gotten rid of all the extemporaneous, you have cleaned everything, and it looks so beautiful. You can have that once a week by just spending a few minutes. Now, the more you do this, the easier it gets, the less time it takes. I have been doing this on a regular basis here on Instagram, in the Facebook, on the YouTube, all the things. And it just has gotten to the point where there's nothing to do. So I highly encourage you, pick a day, pick an evening where you can spend a few minutes just bringing it back to start. That is just going to set you up for the rest of the week to be organized, to have the things you need, to get dressed fast and easy. I like to choose Wednesday because it's the middle of the week. The damage isn't too bad. And also it sets me up for the busiest part of my week, and that becomes the weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I like to do it on Wednesday so that my weekend is easy peasy when it comes to getting dressed. So what do? I mean, like I said, there's nothing to do in my closet because I've done the work. But basically I pull out any extra hangers and I take them to the laundry room. And yeah, that's it. And I put my shoes away. I have a pair of shoes I'll put away here. Boop, boop, and here. And what else can I do? I can put my book back. So that is my process of getting it right and tight. Now, I just want to warn you that when you first do it, it may take a little bit of time. It may take a little bit of, just time. It's going to take some time. But like I said, the more you do it, the easier it gets. So I could even spend time, straightening up my my particular drawers, making sure that that looks really good. I should definitely do that, because these drawers get a little crazy by the middle of the week. And by crazy, I mean, okay, I'm done. This one's done. This one's done. Yeah, so that's my tip for you. So I am a closet coach, and what I do when I work with my clients is we do life coaching for 5 weeks on Zoom. We talk about your closet, where you are, and where you want to be. And we will take the steps to get you there. And then in the middle of our program, I come to your closet and we work together. And the best thing that we can do is go through your pieces one piece at a time, focusing on one season. And then after that, we spend 5 more weeks on Zoom doing life coaching. What's working, what's not working, how can we make it better? Not only with your choices, but also with the organization that we did together in your closet. It is so amazing. So I'm a closet coach. I can help you if that is something that resonates with you. If you're like, yes, hello, I need that. And I'm just saying, it is just so fantastic to be able to walk into your closet and know that everything in there fits. You love it. It all goes together. It's easy. That's all. I hope you have a fantastic evening. And if you want to just see a little bit of what it's like to work with me, you can grab the training, link in bio. 5-day training, how to curate a wardrobe you love. If you do that, send me a DM and tell me what your biggest takeaway is from that. Have a great evening.